If you've ever stumbled across Londonget.com while scrolling for bargains, you might be asking yourself whether this site is a genuine shopping destination or just another online trap disguised with flashy offers. Because at first glance it really tries to hook shoppers with a huge variety of products ranging from car accessories, health and beauty supplies, kitchenware, gadgets, clothing, and even electronics, plus tempting promotions like buy 3, get 10% off and free shipping on orders over £30, which all sounds like the kind of deal people don't want to miss. But once you start peeling back the layers, a very different story begins to unfold, as there are countless warning signs that raise serious questions about the store's reliability, including negative reviews on platforms like Trustpilot where customers reported receiving faulty products that didn't match the descriptions, wrong orders being shipped out with no resolution, and even refund requests being ignored altogether. And when you look at the images on the site, many appear to be copied directly from other online retailers, which suggests that originality and authenticity might not be their strong point, while digging into the technical details shows that the website's domain was only registered in October 2024, which makes it brand new and lacking the track record you'd expect from a trustworthy store. And to make matters worse, even the contact details displayed on their site don't seem genuine but rather borrowed from other sources, which creates more doubts about who's actually running the business. So although Londonget.com presents itself as a one-stop shop for all your needs at unbeatable prices, the overwhelming evidence points to an uncertain and potentially risky shopping experience, meaning that before anyone spends their money there, it's important to weigh these red flags carefully and consider whether the deals are truly worth the risk.